Hello friends, is your cruise control suddenly not working? Is your car throwing the check engine light when you press the cruise buttons? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0564, it means there's an issue with the cruise control switch circuit. This problem can make your cruise control unresponsive, cause erratic acceleration, or even affect other electronic systems in your car. In this video, I'll explain what P0564 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0564? The P0564 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit Malfunction. Your car's cruise control system relies on a steering wheel switch, wiring, and the PCM to maintain speed. If the PCM detects an abnormal voltage or open circuit in the cruise control switch, it triggers P0564. This can lead to cruise control failure, unpredictable acceleration, or loss of system response. Common symptoms of P0564. Cruise control, not engaging or working intermittently. Check engine light is on cruise control buttons, not responding. Sudden loss of cruise control during driving, unintended acceleration or deceleration. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the problem. To diagnose P0564, check these critical components. Cruise control switch, multifunction switch. Location, on the steering wheel, usually integrated with other controls like volume and phone buttons. Clock spring steering column wiring. Location, inside the steering column behind the steering wheel, connecting the buttons to the car's computer. PCM powertrain control module. Location, near the engine bay, fuse box or under the dashboard, processing cruise control signals. Cruise control actuator throttle body control in electronic systems. Location, near the throttle body, regulating engine speed for cruise control, wiring and connectors. Location, running from the steering wheel to the PCM and actuator under the dashboard. Tip, a damaged clock spring can also disable airbag, horn and other steering wheel controls. Common causes of P0564 faulty cruise control switch. Buttons may wear out or develop internal shorts. Broken or worn clock spring. This disrupts communication between steering wheel controls and the PCM. Loose or corroded wiring connectors. Damaged wires can interrupt cruise control signals. PCM-ECM malfunction, a rare but possible cause if the PCM fails to process cruise control inputs. Aftermarket steering wheel mods. Installing a custom steering wheel without proper wiring can cause P0564. How to fix P0564? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0564 and check for related codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch using a multimeter. Check for voltage fluctuations when pressing buttons. Step 3. Inspect the clock spring for damage. If other steering wheel functions aren't working, it might be broken. Step 4. Check wiring and connectors under the steering column for loose or corroded connections. Step 5. Inspect the PCM for any software-related issues and update, reset if needed. Step 6. Test the cruise control actuator, throttle body control, to ensure it receives proper signals. Ignoring P0564 can leave you without cruise control and may lead to unexpected driving issues. Fixing it early keeps your cruise control working smoothly and safely. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0374. Timing reference signal intermittent P0375. Timing reference signal no signal. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.